Alright, continuing with our cat now. As you can see, we're getting him down, or her down, whatever you choose it to be. And we're going to keep bringing this animal down. Okay. Now, from the nose, kind of make that more direct. This is where the eyes will go. So we're going to put where the eyes are in here. And we're going to come and we're going to follow them around here like this. And then we're going to remove this is where my eyes really have to be focused because I don't see too good. That's what happens when as people get old. Okay, coming in here like this, and the same way over here, you kind of come up with that and then come over, come around like that. And we take our knife and we come up around, and then we come up through here, there we go. Sort of like that. Now, I have to admit, this is the point why I was getting where I don't see like I should, but we'll work on those. We'll get those down a little bit better. Okay. Now, on the ears, we're going to do this. We're going to come up. We're going to bring those ears. We're going to come inside those ears like that, in other words. Come up. We're going to move the wood. Just like that. Now you can do this with a V-tool, but I'm going to do it with my knife, just like that. We'll kind of come a bit more. See what we're doing? This is where basswood is just so much easier to work with. That's alright. Now we're going to take our scoop and kind of work it like that. See? That. And kind of work it like that and come up here just a little bit. Put your finger behind there so you don't there we go. See that? Okay. Now I'm going to clip off a little bit more of this ears back here where they kind of come down just a little bit more with this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna let's come down here and let's make these legs a little bit. See that? We're going to flatten that out a little bit more in there. There we go. Take that a little bit more in there. We're going to come straight back with these. Maybe come up a little bit further. See how that's looking? We've got to take a little bit more off into this area here. Like that. We've got to make this even smaller. Make these paws even smaller.